Hello everyone. In this lecture we'll see a problem on homogeneous differential equation. A problem is solve d cube y upon dx cube plus y equal to 0. Solution. So the above differential equation we can write it as d cube y plus this y equal to 0, where you know that so d cube upon dx cube is nothing but capital D cube. So therefore take y common, so it will become d cube plus 1 of y equal to 0. Next, the auxiliary equation is, means we need to get a root. The auxiliary equation is, means the bracket we have to equate to 0 in terms of m, that is m cube plus 1 equal to 0. So this equation, to get a root, I will rearrange as m cube plus 0 into m square, because we need to write an order so that we can go for either synthetic division method, or else we can go for calculator option. So 0 into m square plus m is not there, so 0 into m plus this constant. So this equation we'll type in the calculator and we'll see the roots now. So mode option 5, that is equation, then option 4 cubic equation. So this is m cube, m square, m and 1. So therefore coefficient of m cube is 1 here, coefficient m square is 0, then coefficient of m is 0 and the constant is 1. Press equal to sign and see that first root m is equal to minus 1. Then next root is plus, this is a middle term, plus times 1 by 2 plus of square root of 3 by 2 of I. If you press one more time, so minus sign. So I will write it as 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 I times. Okay, so this x2 and x3 I have taken clubbed as plus or minus. So therefore we got 3 roots. M is equal to minus 1, 1 by 2 plus times I root 3 by 2 second root, and 1 by 2 minus times I root 3 by 2 third root. So total 3 roots. So this first root is a real, but second root is a complex. So we have to write a complementary function for this. So therefore the roots are, once again, the roots of auxiliary equation are m equal to minus 1, 1 by 2 plus or minus times I root 3 by 2. So therefore the complementary function is yc is equal to, for this c1 e raised to minus x, plus for this, so we have to use the complex complementary function, which is nothing but e raised to real part, that is e raised to 1 by 2x bracket. So c1 is over c2, the imaginary part, that is c2 cos of root 3 by 2 times x plus c3 sine of root 3 by 2 times x. So this is a complementary function. So with the help of complementary function we can go for the general solution now. The general solution is y is equal to yc. So therefore, which is nothing but y is equal to c1 e raised to minus x plus e raised to x by 2 of c2 cos root 3 by 2 x plus c3 sine of root 3 by 2 x. So this is a required general solution of a given homogeneous differential equation.